Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the iron ore and Windrose. First of all, you'll need to find the foothills biome. This can be done by killing the local threat, Thomas Richards, in the coastal jungle biome, and after that you'll want to find an island which contains the foothills biome. These islands are pretty large, so that's how you identify them. Once you've done that, you want to travel around the island and find this giant rock, which looks like this. This is going to contain poor iron ore, which can be mined with a copper leather pickaxe, and you'll get some foothills iron ore. The next location to find iron ore in the foothills biome would be a natural quarry, which looks like this. There are about 4 giant rocks around it, and there's a path down the middle. You want to go down here, and here you'll see some poor iron ore. But once you mine this, you should find yourself going deeper, and there also are going to be goats in here, so watch out. Have some weapons at your hand. As you can see, there are 2 goats in this quarry. Once you've defeated them, you can go ahead and proceed throughout the quarry, and you should find yourself finding some more pure iron like this. This is going to give you a lot more iron, about 12 or 10 from wine deposit. So this is going to be all how to get iron ore and Windrose. Hope this helped. Make sure to like and subscribe if it did, and thank you for watching. See you next time.